So it's been a pretty long week. You've seen my videos of getting Charlie's engine together. It's in the car. I did start it a little bit ago, so I'll go back and play the first initial start. I missed the very first portion of the startup, and that's always nerve-wracking to cover because if there's an issue, you don't really want that public. But thankfully, everything was fine, except for the Windows 10 issues. I just started it. I've done no tuning. It's still the exact same base map that was in it. Fired it up, so it will be a little bit lean once it warms up, but I wanted to get it started because Windows 10 is being awesome. So, but I don't need to monitor anything except oil pressure, which it came right up. Fires right up with about 15-20 minutes on it. Looking good out here, zero smoke. Means I didn't screw up the rings. Okay, ready for dyno.